Hello everyone, welcome to the Geek Squad YouTube channel. Today video for 12 most popular types of cryptocurrency. 1 Bitcoin, BTC price, $23,017, market cap, $444 billion. As the harbinger of the cryptocurrency era, Bitcoin is still the coin people generally reference when they talk about digital currency. Its mysterious creator, allegedly Satoshi Nakamoto, debuted the currency in 2009, and it's been on a roller coaster ride since then. However, it wasn't until 2017 that the cryptocurrency broke into popular consciousness. 2. Ethereum ETH price, $1,657.40 market cap, $203 billion. Ethereum, the name for the cryptocurrency platform, is the second name you're most likely to recognize in the crypto space. The system allows you to use Ether, the currency, to perform a number of functions, but the smart contract aspect of Ethereum helps make it a popular currency. 3. Tether USDT price, $1 market cap, $68 billion. Tether's price is anchored at $1 per coin. That's because it is what's called a stablecoin. Stablecoins are tied to the value of a specific asset, in Tether's case, the US dollar. Tether often acts as a medium when traders move from one cryptocurrency to another. Rather than move back to dollars, they use Tether. However, some people are concerned that Tether isn't safely backed by dollars held in reserve, but instead uses a short-term form of unsecured debt. 4. BNB price, $328.93 market cap, $52 billion. BNB is the cryptocurrency issued by Binance, among the largest crypto exchanges in the world. While originally created as a token to pay for discounted trades, Binance Coin can now be used for payments as well as purchasing various goods and services. 5. USD Coin USDC price, $1, market cap, $42 billion. Like Tether, USD Coin is a stablecoin pegged to the dollar, meaning that its value should not fluctuate. The currency's founders say that it's backed by fully reserved assets or those with equivalent fair value, and those assets are held in accounts with regulated U.S. institutions. 6. XRP price, $0.3987 market cap, $20 billion. Formerly known as Ripple and created in 2012, XRP offers a way to pay in many different real-world currencies. Ripple can be useful in cross-border transactions and uses a trustless mechanism to facilitate payments. 7. Binance USD BUSD price, $1 market cap, $16 billion. Binance USD is a dollar-backed stablecoin from top crypto exchange Binance in partnership with Paxos. Binance USD was launched in 2019 and is regulated by the New York Department of Financial Services. BUSD runs on top of the Ethereum blockchain. 8. Cardano ADA price, $0.3937, market cap, $14 billion. Cardano is the cryptocurrency platform behind ADA, the name of the currency. Created by the co-founder of Ethereum, Cardano also uses smart contracts, enabling identity management. 9. Dogecoin Doge price, $0.09036 market cap, $12 billion. Originally created as a joke, after the run-up in Bitcoin, Dogecoin takes its name from an internet meme featuring a Shiba Inu dog. Unlike many digital currencies limiting the number of coins in existence, Dogecoin has unlimited issuance. It can be used for payments or sending money. 10. Polygon Matic price, $1.32 market cap, $11 billion. Polygon is a cryptocurrency that focuses on being accessible to those creating digital apps and scales up the Ethereum cryptocurrency. It was previously known as Matic and was formed in 2017, though switched its name to Polygon in 2021. 11. Solana SOL price, $23.27 market cap, $9 billion. Launched in March 2020, Solana is a newer cryptocurrency, and it touts its speed at completing transactions and the overall robustness of its web-scale platform. The issuance of the currency, called SOL, is capped at 480 million coins. 12. Polkadot price, $6.79 market cap, $8 billion. Launched in May 2020, Polkadot is a digital currency that connects the technology of blockchain from many different cryptocurrencies. A co-founder of Ethereum is one of Polkadot's inventors, and some industry watchers believe Polkadot is looking to dethrone Ethereum. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.